In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Salesforce Org ID. This is a crucial piece of information whether you're transitioning to a new team, setting up integrations, or simply need it for troubleshooting. Let's dive right in and find out how you can easily locate your Salesforce Org ID. First things first, you need to log into your Salesforce account. Once you're logged in, the process becomes even simpler. Now, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. You should see the Quick Settings icon up there, which is typically represented by a small gear symbol. This icon is your gateway to customizing and managing your Salesforce experience. Go ahead and click on the gear icon to open a drop-down menu filled with a variety of options designed to help you navigate and adjust your settings. From the options in this drop-down menu, the one you need to focus on is Setup. Click on Setup, and this action will take you to a new page filled with various settings and options related to your Salesforce account. You're now getting closer to your goal of locating that elusive Org ID, so hang in there. On this new page, keep an eye on the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a search bar labeled Search Setup. This search bar is incredibly helpful for streamlining your navigation process through the plethora of options Salesforce offers. Here, type the words Company Information into the search bar. Doing this will guide us directly to the area we need to be in. After typing Company Information, you'll see a link pop up in the search results. Click on this link, and it will direct you to a page full of useful details about your organization's account. Now, on this Company Information page, it's time to look closely. You're looking for a section labeled Salesforce.com Organization ID. Typically, this section is located near the top of the page, along with other important details about your account, like your organization's name and address. Your Salesforce Org ID is uniquely yours and plays an essential role in various processes within Salesforce. Being familiar with where to find it saves time and effort whenever you or your team needs it. And there you have it, a quick and straightforward guide to finding your Salesforce Org ID. To recap, you start by logging into Salesforce, navigating to Quick Settings, accessing Setup, using the search function to locate company information, and there you'll find your organization ID prominently displayed. Whether it took you all of 5 minutes or a bit longer, you can now easily locate this ID anytime you need it. Thank you for watching. Feel free to like or subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you next time with more tips and tricks to make your Salesforce experience smoother.